Hello everyone! Today we will be making our own spectrometer out of common household items. To provide some overview, a spectrometer is an instrument that measures the intensity of light. The light must first pass a narrow slit and be reflected upon a diffraction grating. The materials you'll need are shown in the picture given here. Cut a slit along the length of a rectangular box such that the radius of a CD can fit. The slit should be at a 30-degree angle. The reflective side of the CD should be inside the box. Next, along the width of the box, create a rectangular hole that is a half an inch in width and 1 inch in length. You should be able to see the reflective side of the CD through the hole. The next step is to create a very thin slit of 1 inch on the side opposite the CD. If the slit seems too wide, use tinfoil to make the slit as thin as possible. Then, to test the spectrometer, use a bright LED light to shine through the thin slit. By looking through the hole on top of the box, you can see the light separate into different colors. For future experiments, you can test how the spectrum changes with different colors of light.